Okay, you're in Windows 11 and you want to flip your screen. You right click on your desktop, go to Display Settings, scroll down the page until you see an option called Display Orientation. So by default, the orientation would be landscape, but you can select portrait, for example. And now the taskbar is on the right side of the screen. You can revert just by pressing Enter, or if you press Tab and then Enter, it will keep the changes. If you want the taskbar on the left side of your screen, then just select Portrait Flipped, and now you can see the taskbars on the left side of the screen. The final option is to select Landscape Flipped, and that causes the taskbar to be at the top of your screen. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.